This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 40 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 7, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, TV, awning, oven, LP detector, air conditioning, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.